Welcome to Create Solana Token. You're going to be creating your own Solana token or meme coin in 60 seconds or less. And yes, this is going to spare you so much time and effort in either you learning how to basically code in Rust or Anchor, or even hire a very expensive Solana developer. And in fact, these developers do charge a salary of $100,000 to $200,000 a year. So spare yourself some time, effort, and resources and go straight right here in this token creator. So the beautiful part about this platform is that the information that you need to fill up is all right here. And yes, you need to fill up the token name, the decimal places, the total supply, the image, and also a couple of these revoked authorities as well. And the description all on the left. So as you can see, there's also a guide here that shows you how to use the Solana token creator. And there's also an FAQ. That way you can go and click and see for yourself some of the frequently asked questions. And that's pretty much it. So if you need more help, you can contact us below as well. So let's get started. We're going to be creating a token called SpiderCat. All right, so we're going to type that out right here, SpiderCat, and the ticker symbol. Now, we want to keep it straightforward and inform your buyers or traders that it's basically the brand that they want to see, which is SpiderCat. So we'll keep it very simple. There. Now, the decimal places. So the decimal places is where we want to know how much of the price of the token can be shown while it's trading in the chart. So when somebody is buying or selling your token, they can see how many of the tokens are traded and also how much of a price difference it shows. So since we're trading meme coins, we'll put 9. Now, let's add the total supply. For this, we're going to be putting 1 billion. All right, now let's get straight to the next step. And that is, technically, we need to add an image or the icon of SpiderCat. So I have one right here. And as you can see here in my desktop, we have here SpiderCat. Now it looks pretty attractive. It's a nice meme brand, and also it basically gets the job done by looking very tacky, and it's a PNG format. You can see that there's a transparent background, and so people can see the icon easily. All right, now we wait for it to upload. Okay, it's going to also show on the information on the token, information on the side. So the next step is we'll be typing in the description. So you can, let's say, add SpiderCat is your friendly neighborhood cat and superhero that saves the day through his rear. All right, so this is a part of the meme culture, and we just want to make it sound funny as well. Okay, so once we have that all typed in, we'll be adding a couple of authorities to make the token tradable. So again, revoke freeze. Revoke freeze is basically where the developer is going to be removing his authority or his ability to freeze tokens. So when we do that, it basically gives a sense of security and confidence for your traders. And also for a Create Sol token, we've already provided this to you for free of charge. And what's also important about revoke freeze is that your token will already be ready for it to create a liquidity pool when you do decide to create a pool. Now, revoke mint means that we're removing the authority to create more of a token. So for this one, I select here, and that means that I cannot create any more SpiderCats after I've minted this. Lastly, immutable. This means that I cannot change or edit any more of the metadata. That is basically the information such as the name of the token, the ticker symbol of the token, and even the icon of the coin. So we're going to put it all up there, and that one requires a small little fee. And lastly, we're going to be adding the social media. This is crucial. It's free of charge, and this one basically we will be putting a website for our token. We've prepared a simple website for SpiderCat. Pretty straightforward. It's a nice funny meme brand of the coin, and also shows here the steps. Also shows here the tokenomics. It really makes it a lot easier for people to see that there is a team behind it. It explains everything. It provides confidence for people to go and trade it as well. And those are some of the factors of making the meme. All right. Now, we add the website right there. And then once we fill up all our details, select our wallet and connect it. I'll be selecting Solflare as our wallet. So we let it connect. As you can see, there's a pop-up. What we want to do now is connect. And pretty straightforward. You can see that our wallet has finally connected with Create Sol token generator. You can see that our balance here is showing up. So this is enough to create a coin. So now we have a total price of 0.7 Solana in order to generate our coin. Now let's get started in creating the coin. So let's go click create, wait for that to load. And then there's going to be a pop-up to approve the transaction. You can see it verifies the amount. And then all we need to do is approve the transaction. So click there. And as you can see, we've successfully created 1 billion Spider Cat. So we wait for that to load anytime soon. Just give it a couple of seconds for it to reflect from the transaction. So you may want to refresh your wallet. And there you have it. We have 1 billion Spider Cat minted and ready for trading, ready to have liquidity pool added. And yes, basically you are already a meme coin creator, and in just a few clicks you've already created. And as you can see, we can verify the back end on the coin that has its own token address. It's verified in the blockchain. Thank you so much for checking our video tutorial, and then you may be able to create your very own meme coin or Solana token project, all here in 60 seconds or less, as long as you have all the information you need to create. See you again, and bye-bye.